Chiefs! This week, Bobby Mutaung gets suspended from Kaiser Chiefs for partying with friends during lockdown. Really? I mean, because alcohol, girls, and music have that Herbalife effect. Every time you have one, you want to take a picture and a video and recruit more members. This happened after a video went on social media jogging. It was very fast. Usain Bolt. But, I mean, being suspended in a family business is a joke, right? It's like being told to go and sit in the corner and be quiet. Yeah. But wait. This is a lockdown party. Why are you taking a video? Stop it. Why are we letting you take a video? To enjoy the rest of the episode, click link in bio or description and enjoy.